A very warm good morning to my dear viewers. So, as I earlier said while being outside, that we all should plant a tree, and the universe is each and everything, and earth is our mother nature, and we all should do something for our mother nature. And so I expect from all of you. So, being the student of Kendriya Vidyalaya, our school, as they said to us to bring a tree and make it planted in our school so that we all can apply a nameplate to it, and on that our name should be written, so that whenever, since we will pass out from the school soon, since we are in 12th class, so when we will pass out from the school, then after some time we will be called the alumni of the school, and by any chance if we wish to visit our school again, then we all will say that this was the tree that done, I had planted to my school, and this is the thing which I have given back to the school. By this, I will be giving a very great oxygen, a very great atmosphere, a very great greenery to my dear juniors. And that is the case. So, as we all are informed, so why not each and every school, each and every student take this initiative? And this is a very great initiative. As if we all will take a single step, then it will show very major changes in on a large scale. So this is a Ashok tree, and today I will also share you the images when we will plant the trees. Actually, in our school, we are allotted some areas to each classes, and their areas maintenance is with us. Their areas plants development is with us. By this, we will learn a lot of things, and we will just do very great thing to our nature and give back to it. And the tree you will plant, you will see that it will be growing very gigantic, and that feeling of seeing the tree, that this is the tree that I have planted, has grown very well, and you will just feel awesome. So why not we all of us feel awesome? And I would say it would be a very great feeling for me as well, and if you do, for you as well, and you will feel a sense of accomplishment that I have done something for this mother nature. So why not we all support each other and make this nation more green, and make India the best nation, and not merely by speaking, just make the changes. And if each and every one of you are very dedicated to make the change, and especially the teenagers, the upcoming generation, the flag bearers of the Indian nation, I have a very great message for all of you, that please, my dear friend, we all will have to work together day and night to make this country best. It is one of the best country, but to make it best in all respects, and just we have to show to the world that we are the best. So each and every step starts from here. Why not we all should plant a tree? It will spread a very great greenery. It will be a very source of light, source of energy. We all must remember. Sometimes we all become a little bit ignorant, but I would say we all must remember that the nature, what has nature given me? What if I am not able to breathe for some time? If we all will try to not breathe for some time, we will realize that we are not able to live. If we won't have a very great amount of oxygen in the air, we will not be able to survive. Therefore, we all must understand that why. And as far as the modern challenges are concerned, we all should look forward. Since the all the things such as climate change is there, when there will be a lot of trees planted, then the soil will be holded by the land, and erosion of soil would be less. That will also support this, and its shadow will support the people. And we all know that trees help to reduce the temperature, therefore they will help us in hot summers, as well as why not to make India very great. It is very great, and modern civilizations have taken something else, but as the modern generation, why not we all just understand that what is the cause, and all these things will become, we all will, when all of us will plant a tree, we all will feel a significant change. But the thing is that I just want you to promise to yourself that I will give back to this nature, since I have been made this much big. all of us grow very well. So from where we grow? All of us grow from the food that we eat. And where do we get that food? From the mother nature. And if we will, and we all live, we all breathe. So where do we get the most required source, which is the oxygen? From where do we get? It is from the trees. From where do we get the best fruits? It is from the trees. From where do we get those great memories of climbing trees? It is from trees. From where do we get the great memories of getting a kite stuck? It is from the trees. So, my dear friends, why not all of us unite to make this Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam? Make it real, guys, and just go about it and plant a tree. You will feel a very great sense of accomplishment. And I would simply say that just dream and make this nation as much as great you can, and give it back to the nation, give it back to the motherland, and just be the best and make the plant trees and fight for this nation and make the India best. And that's it. I hope that you all will plant a tree. And since we all acknowledge the benefits of planting a tree and right now the necessity of planting trees, we all will be tackling the modern climate changes by planting trees. And we all know that trees are lungs for whole atmosphere. Trees are the each and everything for atmosphere. So why not we all plant a tree? So today we all will, our students of KV, we will plant. Each and every student will plant his tree. So I just, in nutshell, I would simply say that please, my dear friends, make a tree, give a tree a life. The tree will give you a life, as it is giving, but we are not giving back. So please, my dear friends, give back. And when it is greatly said that if it is for the universe had to step in, and this planting trees is for universe, and we will have to step in. All the students, all the teenagers, encourage all the ages, whichever you can encourage smaller than you, encourage each and every one, and just be the change. As the great Mahatma Gandhi said, be the change that you want to see. Therefore, be the change and make it count. And I would simply say that the sense of accomplishment you will feel, the sense of happiness you will feel after planting this tree would be something else. And when this tree will grow very magnificent, you will feel that I have done something. And we all are not always earning money and all those things. Sometimes we should do all those things. So I take a leave. And I hope that you all will understand the message. And why not we all plant a tree? Thank you. I hope you will support the nation, support the motherland to make the greenery our part. Thank you.